Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is hygroscopic study in API. What is a hygroscopic study? A hygroscopic study is a scientific experiment that measures how readily a substance absorbs moisture from the surrounding environment. In the pharmaceutical industry, hygroscopic studies are used to determine how stable a drug product is under different humidity conditions. This is important because some drugs can absorb moisture from the air, which can change their properties and make them less effective or even unsafe. Why are hygroscopic studies important for pharma? Hygroscopic studies are important for pharma for a few reasons. First, they help to ensure the stability of drug products. As I mentioned earlier, if a drug product absorbs too much moisture, it can change its properties and become less effective or even unsafe. Second, hygroscopic studies can help to develop better packaging for drug products. By understanding how a drug product absorbs moisture, pharmaceutical companies can develop packaging that helps to protect the product from moisture exposure. How are hygroscopic studies conducted? Hygroscopic studies are typically conducted in a laboratory setting. In a hygroscopic study, a sample of the drug product is placed in a controlled environment where the humidity is carefully monitored. The sample is then weighed periodically to determine how much moisture it has absorbed. Types of hygroscopic studies. Static desorption. This method measures how much moisture a drug product releases when placed in a dry environment. This is useful for understanding how a drug packaged in a blister pack might behave. Dynamic desorption. This method exposes the drug product to fluctuating humidity levels, mimicking real-world storage conditions. This helps predict how the drug might behave throughout its shelf life. Gravimetric sorption analysis. This is a common technique where the drug sample's weight change is monitored under controlled humidity conditions. Factors affecting hygroscopic study results. Surface area. Powders with a high surface area tend to be more hygroscopic than solids with a low surface area. Porosity. Materials with pores can trap moisture, making them more hygroscopic. Chemical composition. Certain functional groups in a drug molecule can attract moisture. Temperature. Higher temperatures can increase the rate of moisture absorption. How results are used in the pharmaceutical industry. Formulation development. Hygroscopic studies help select appropriate inactive ingredients, fillers, binders, that minimize moisture interaction with the drug. Packaging design. Results guide the selection of packaging materials and desiccant use to control moisture exposure. Storage conditions. Understanding a drug's hygroscopic behavior helps determine appropriate storage recommendations. Stability testing. Hygroscopic studies are part of a drug stability testing program, ensuring the product remains safe and effective throughout its shelf life. Hygroscopic studies are an important part of the drug development process, and they help to ensure that safe and effective drugs are available to patients. I hope you like this information. Thank you for watching.